Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with the sneaker mystery box episode. This mystery box is $1,400 and it is from Sole Supremacy, originators of the beater box sneaker mystery box, and that box is right over here. But before I get into this mystery box, I do gotta let you guys know that we actually have an active giveaway going. So if you guys want to win this thing right here, a freaking signed Steph Curry jersey. Signed. Look at that. That's Steph Curry's signature, guys. Freaking sick. Comes with the authentication card and JSA certification and all of that good stuff, guys. If you guys do want to win this, though, you guys actually have to check out last week's video. I will link it up here and in the description below. But for some reminders, it's super easy to do. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, then go to Pristine Auctions, which is where this jersey is from. Then you go over there, use the registration code Hawaii, and you will get $10 off your first purchase on Pristine Auctions, which is great. It's a little bonus. But if you guys want to win the jersey, then lastly, you need to go comment on that other video, your username on Pristine Auctions. That is very important. I will select the winner from the comments of that video. That's why, so you guys want to go comment over there. You need to comment your username from your Pristine Auctions account. It's a super dope jersey, and I mean, even if you guys aren't Steph Curry fans or Golden State fans, you could literally sell this thing for like, I don't know, the resale market is like 600 bucks or something for it, and then get yourself a bunch of sneakers. So it's up to you guys. It's just a little giveaway for you. Make sure you guys do that. Anyway, let's get into this mystery box now. $1,400. All right. Let's get into this. I don't see any shoes without boxes in here, which is great. And we're starting it off with a very awesome pair of sneakers right here. This, guys, is a pair of Kobe's. Kobe 11s to be specific, and this one is in a size 9.5. And this one looks pretty darn dope. Kobe 11s are probably one of my favorite model of Kobe's too. This one looks to be like some kind of grape colorway. And the condition of this looks really good. Bottoms, even though they're like a see-through, look very, very good. So this is a great first shoe to get out of the box. Kobe's obviously still have great value. And even though this one, it comes in like a pretty damaged box, it's missing the lid, this should still fetch a good price. If you guys do want to buy any of the shoes in this mystery box, again, head over to untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes are listed on the website over there for sale. For members first, guys that support the channel, our channel members, you guys get first crack at this. If the members don't sell out the shoes, then it goes open to the general public after that. Just a small thank you to the people that support the channel. I think they donate like $5 a month or something to the channel. Appreciate you guys, and that's why I give you guys super great steals on sneakers over there. All right, next shoe, let's see what we got. It's a Jordan box. Jordan 1 low, size 11. Ooh, wow, this is actually a nice colorway. Like most people, I'm not a big fan of Jordan 1 lows, but this thing, in terms of material and colors, this is not bad at all. It feels like there's a canvas over here, which is really dope, over here on the toe box too. Just a really nice design on this. It's got that shattered backboard kind of orange with like some olive hints in here. Ooh, and it's got gum bottoms too. This is actually really sick. Let's see, next out, this might be a good pair right here. There's a lot of Jordan 1 boxes, which is a very good sign. This is the first of them, and it's a size 11, my size. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we got a money pair very early in this mystery box. I was not expecting this, guys. This is those Jordan 1 Spider-Mans, which is very sick. I haven't seen these in a minute now. And dude, I forgot how good the quality of these sneakers are. So you guys can see why it's called the Spider-Mans. It definitely has that nice Spider-Man red and also has that blue over here on the tongue. On parts of the upper too, it has like this like texture of like these little dots and stuff, which I guess is supposed to represent like the spider suit, which is pretty dope. But as you guys can see, the leather on here is very good. The only thing that I didn't like on this is a swoosh. It's like a weird material on here, but everything else on this shoe, very cool. And this one should fetch a lot of money. I know that these are still super popular, and Spider-Man franchise, it's one of the biggest like superhero franchises there are, so can't go wrong with these. So we'll take out this one next. Nike SB box, that rainbow box series. This one is a size 11 again. I'm guessing we got like a size 11 collection. Oof, geez, these are interesting. These are like a Metacom collab, it looks like, and they're like a furry pair of sneakers, which I don't know. If you guys are into furry stuff, that's cool. Not for me, but this is a very furry shoe. It's literally like the entire upper is covered in fur, which I guess that's dope for some people, not for me. There's that Metacom stamp on the back, which I think is kind of cool right there. Also some Metacom branding on the tongue over here. And on the inside, more Metacom toy branding. I don't know what the value of this one is. It's a Bear Brick Metacom collab, so there should be some decent value. All right, we got like 4 shoes left in here, and like I said, a lot of Jordan 1 boxes, so we might have some very, very big profit here. This one is a Jordan 1 low again, in a size 11 again, and okay, at first I thought these looked nice, and now that I'm looking at it again, not very nice. This honestly looks like an outlet sneaker to me. So you guys can see over here, there is like that tie-dye on the back. It really just looks like one of those like outlet kind of Jordan 1s. It is in dead stock condition, which is nice. Brand new, unworn, no toe box creasing over the top. But one of the cool things on this is this sole reminds me of the Art Basel Jordan 1 highs. I can't remember what it is. It's like that mint looking one. I'll put it up on the screen, but yeah, this looks very similar to that. So that's kind of cool. Just again, it's a Jordan 1 low. It's a tough sell for a lot of people. So the last 3 shoes are all Jordan 1s. Fingers crossed we get bangers like that Jordan 1 Spider-Man. If so, this box is gonna be huge profit. This one seems like a smaller Jordan 1 box though, and it is actually a size 9. So this one is not bad either. This is the Jordan 1 Obsidian. I always go back and forth on the quality of this one. Like the leather is super soft over here, and because of that, it gives like a lot of texture kind of look to it. I don't know if I'd like that or not, but I know that this one still goes for, I think, like upwards of 250 to 300 bucks, even in worn condition, which is great. Very good condition right here. That is another good sneaker. 2 shoes left, both Jordan 1s. This one, Jordan 1 size 10. Oh, and this is not a good one. Okay. So we got like this Volt colorway. I don't even know what this one's called, to be honest. This is not one that I even tried to target on Sneakers app. It was just an easy pass for me. You can see this over here. It's just a different kind of Jordan, man. Like there's foam up here on the top, and it also stains. Like look at this. I don't know how this happened, maybe from like jeans or something, but there's staining over here on the top. The leather on this feels pretty cheap as well. This one in particular, there's a lot of like damage on here. There's creasing on the top. Bottoms, there's like gum and stuff stuck on the bottom over here. That's not good. Still, Jordan 1s all have value, so that's at least 100 something bucks. And for the last sneaker in this box, as I mentioned, ta-da! Lo and behold, it is a Jordan 1. This one is a size 11.5 though, and hopefully we end on a good shoe. We did not. Not a good shoe. What a letdown, dude. I feel like we went backwards in order of like the best Jordan 1 to like the least best Jordan 1. Obviously, the Jordan 1 Spider-Man is for sure the most expensive Jordan 1 that we got in here. These are not exciting, and these don't have great resale value. These are a pair of the Jordan 1 Zooms, that's why. I can't even remember the name of this, dude. I had a personal pair of these that I won from Sneakers that I thought I liked, and then after I saw them more, knew that I did not like them. Again, for me, the materials and stuff on here just aren't great. It's a very stiff leather. It's kind of a letdown to end on that box. But it is what it is. I think overall for 1,400 bucks, you really can't complain about this one, right? Like 4 pairs of Jordan 1s. The Jordan 1 model is just so popular that there's always a need for it in the market. Like even if it's not the most expensive or most hyped, they will sell regardless. Like I'm telling you, as soon as I put them up on the website, they're usually gone very fast. And if you guys are just doing reselling yourself, if you guys are on GOAT, eBay, whatever it is, you guys should know that they do sell insanely fast too, no matter what it is. So I'm not knocking the mids, I'm not knocking the lows. I'm just saying that there are like levels of popularity to it, and it goes high, low, mid. I think mids are the most hated, to be honest, but anyway, they will all sell. So overall, this was a really good box, dude. I forgot we got those pair of Kobe's too. Again, if you guys do want to cop any of these shoes, they will be on untiedhawaii.com. You guys can check it out over there. And also, if you guys want to win that Steph Curry jersey, don't forget to use the link in the description below. Super easy to do, and you might win yourself a Steph Curry jersey. Just a little thank you to you guys, and especially like right now with the NBA playoffs and stuff going on and Golden State in the mix, I felt like this was a good way to give back to you guys. So hopefully whoever wins that enjoys it a lot. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!